Good morning, comrades. My name is Magdych, and today I will tell you why I bought this new Sony lens. This is Sony FE 20mm 1.8, and right now I have only one prime lens, which is 55mm Zeiss, which I'm shooting right now. And I think it's a good lens, 55mm, but it doesn't fit all my needs, and sometimes I do vlogs and I do photography. When I do photography, 55mm is a little bit too much for landscape photography, and I cannot really capture the whole picture, and I have to walk pretty far, and sometimes it's even impossible because behind me there is a wall or some other object that I cannot jump over. So I decided to get this 20mm. I hear that this lens is very good, and many people recommend it as a wide-angle lens, one of the best probably for Sony cameras. Now let's go into the unboxing. To be completely honest, this lens is pretty expensive, but I hope it will be worth it. And again, as many people say, this lens is very good, and I hope it will be worth the investment. Leather bag, I think it's leather. Feels like leather, at least with Sony logo here. Inside there is bubble wrap and the payload itself. So we can declick it. It's moving smoothly for video work. Also on this side, as you can see, there is autofocus and manual focus switch. So we can switch to manual focus. Also the G logo, meaning that this lens is pretty good. And let's see the lens itself. As you can see, it's pretty wide, at least compared to my 55mm. It's much bigger. It takes 67mm thread, not very heavy, so for my A7C camera it will be a very light combo, and I can easily go out and shoot anything I want. Not that 55mm is heavy, and the combo A7C with 55mm is very good, but I want to do some wide shots, and this is a very good lens. Also vlogging, it's also very good for vlogging. Alright, I will show you some of the examples of footage. Now I'm sitting exactly on the same spot as you just saw in the beginning, but I swapped my Zeiss 55mm with 20mm. You can see much more of my room. You can see all the mess, you can see all the boxes here. Yeah, so this is much wider than 55mm, and this is much better for vlogging. So for example, if I would take this and take it closer, so it's much easier for me to vlog, to talk to the camera and see myself in the flip out screen of A7C. Thank you very much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and see you next time.